Welcome back. You're watching a Checkpoint Technical Marketing Engineering video on how to use AI Assist. If you have watched the previous 2 episodes, you know all about it and how to enable it in your system. Now let's continue to explore what we can do with AI Assist and how it is a game changer for security teams. So open your management console and click AI Assist at the top right corner. In the first example, we will ask AI Assist to explain to us how to configure VPN Remote Access. As you can see on the screen, it comes back with a detailed reply of how to configure VPN in your system, step by step, including a link to the relevant documentations. We have our VPN set up, but having some issues with it. So let's go back to AI Assist and ask it to help us troubleshoot the issue. AI Assist provides us with several steps to troubleshoot and provide us with relevant documentations as well. Let's take it even further and assume that the security admin doesn't know how to run debug mode to troubleshoot. So let's ask AI Assist, how exactly do we enable VPN debugging on Checkpoint gateways? As you can see, just above the prompt, the potential follow-up questions are already lined up, making the process even quicker and more efficient. AI Assist will provide us with several ways to debug the issue with commands which can be copied and pasted to the SSH sessions to the firewall, and of course, links for debugging documentation. Another example of a common issue that security admins may encounter in their day-to-day work is when receiving an error or alert which they are not sure about. We can ask AI Assist what it means, what is the cause of that issue, and how to resolve it. For example, if we get a quick mode fail to match proposal, we can check it with AI Assist that provides an explanation and several ways to solve this issue. This brings us to the end of this episode. In the next one, we will give some tips and suggestions on how you can use AI Assist for your daily tasks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.